Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If you're here for the first time, I recommend you watch the last video where we talked about why Texas sometimes says it can leave the United States. Now let's test what you've learned. Let's begin. Was Texas once an independent country? Yes, it was the Republic of Texas. Did Texas join the United States in 1865? No, it joined in 1845. Does Texas have the legal right to secede from the U.S. today? No. The Supreme Court ruled that no state can secede unilaterally. Can Texas divide itself into multiple states? Yes, it could split into up to 5 states. Was Texas part of Mexico before it became independent? Yes, it was part of Mexico. Is the idea of Texas leaving the U.S. mostly about pride? Yes, it's more about pride and history than law. Is the Republic of Texas still an independent country today? No, Texas is a U.S. state. Did the annexation agreement give Texas the right to split into new states? Yes, it mentioned the possibility. Was there a court decision that confirmed Texas cannot secede? Yes, the decision came in 1869. Do many Texans still feel a strong sense of independence? Yes. Texans are very proud of their independent spirit. Watch this feedback video again to strengthen your understanding, and don't forget to subscribe to stay on track with your English and American culture journey. See you in the next adventure.